Gardening and landscaping can be tough on your body. Your knees hold most of your weight during tasks like these, so it's important to protect them. Whether you're a professional contractor or DIY maven, a pair of heavy-duty professional knee pads can prevent fatigue and help you get through your yard work more quickly. However, an average pair of soft pads won't do the trick. Professional knee pads have a hard surface and several levels of cushioning. The pads absorb the pressure, so your knee joints don't have to. These products are great for a variety of home projects. Keep them on hand for interior remodeling, painting, deep cleaning and general repairs. When browsing potential purchases, there are a few features you should look for. Many heavy-duty professional knee pads have layers like foam and gel, which add additional cushioning. You should also make sure that the product has non-slip straps. To help you prepare for various projects, here are some of our favorite heavy-duty professional knee pads, starting at number 6 on our list. We have the professional knee pads for work. These multi-purpose pads include a soft gel core and high-density foam to cushion the knees. The PVC caps are abrasion-resistant and won't leave skids on the floor. You can enjoy the comfort of extra padding above the cap, as well as dual straps that keep the pads in place. The product is available in a knee-high version, which you can purchase if you don't want this extra padding. These knee pads stay in place, so you won't need to adjust them while working. The inner cushioning will keep your knees comfortable. The knee pads are only available in one size, so they might not fit every user. The strap might cause discomfort behind the knee. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 5 on our list, we have the Rex Betty knee pads for work. With a non-slip strap and additional thigh support, these professional knee pads are designed to stay in place. The cushioning behind the PVC cap includes double-thick gel and high-density foam. This product also features reinforced stitching, so you can expect them to last. You secure these knee pads with straps behind the knees and lower thighs. The thigh straps keep the knee pad in place while providing extra protection. The hook and loop tapes help you achieve the perfect fit. Your knees might move around under the pads. The straps might cut into your legs, especially if you wear the pads with shorts. At number 4 on our list, we have the Ion K Packed Zip. The Ion K Packed pads have been around for a while, and the SAS Tech padding and ample secondary padding keep your knees safe and sound when you take an unplanned digger. With top and bottom Velcro straps, they stay in place even when pedaling, and there is plenty of flexibility on offer, too. A bit warm out on the trail, the built-in zipper makes the Ion pads a jiffy to put on or take off on the fly. Even better, once they're on, you'd never know there is a zipper there. K-Packed pads offer excellent protection, arguably the best closure of the bunch, and, to top it off, they aren't as expensive as some of the options listed here. At number 3 on our list, we have the Troy Lee Designs Raid. Troy Lee Designs Raid are pitched towards the rowdier end of the spectrum with plenty of D30 padding and foam encasing your knee. The individual protectors are anatomically placed to match the bony outcrops on each knee and extend well down the shin. Keeping everything in place is a single Velcro strap along with silicone grippers, which articulate and flex quite well with your leg. The rear of the pad features lightweight mesh for ventilation, but they are still quite warm. For this level of protection, expect to fork out, as the raids are anything but cheap. At number 2 on our list, we have the Race Face Ambush. One of the burlier sets of knee pads on offer from Race Face. The Ambush are likely to survive anything you throw at them and keep your knees abrasion and bruise free. With a D30 pad looking after your kneecap, there is a decent amount of polyurethane padding on the outside of the knee. However, the Ambush leave the inside of your knee susceptible to knocks from the top tube. With double Velcro straps, one above the knee and one below, they are not going anywhere. The sleeve is made from perforated neoprene lined with terry cloth. Despite the protection on offer, the pads still retain quite a bit of flex and pedal well, but they tend to get pretty sweaty on longer climbs and long pedaling sections of trail. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the 7IDP Sam Hill. Designed by 3-time Enduro World Champ Sam Hill, his pro model pad from 7IDP is an evolution of the transition pad. He wanted more protection without sacrificing comfort. The result is a soft knee pad built around a breathable lycra sock, complete with a mesh back. SAS Tech makes the removable protector, a non-Newtonian material that is soft and malleable, but hardens upon impact. There's a bit of added foam protection around the side, and the lycra sleeve and protector are noticeably longer than most. This not only plays a role in helping them stay in place while pedaling, it also prevents a gap between the bottom of your shorts and the top of your knee pads. Instead of a Velcro strap at the top or bottom, the Sam Hill pads feature silicone grippers. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.